Hey guys, doing a little bit of photography here. Taking a picture of a beautiful little bird. That's her sticking her head out of the birdhouse right there. I'm actually on the edge of my property. My neighbor, he loves birds and he's got a... She just flew away. I've been trying to get back into photography again, and this female, I believe that's a swallow, I'm not completely sure, but I've been getting really big into photography again, and I'm actually using my cell phone right now. I've got a little looks like a spyglass basically that's screwed into the phone grip, and then the phone grip itself is attached to my old camera tripod. I'm really hoping Mama Bird comes back, but I'm really glad I got the picture of the dismount when she flew away. I'm wearing a clean pair of jeans and I'm kneeling on the ground on my knees in the grass. I'm not sure if she'll come back or not. I might need to move back a little bit. So forgive the turbulence for a moment, guys. Backing all the way up. Setting camera down. There we go. Make sure it's nice and stable. Okay, I need to adjust that. That's pretty blurry. There we go. I'm gonna focus back on the birdhouse again. My neighbor's shed. There it is, a little bit further back now. Hoping I'm far enough away where Mama Bird will come back. I tried to adjust my cell phone and the phone grip where it wouldn't have that kind of blurry darkness around the edges. And sorry about the shakiness, that's the wind right there, unfortunately. Wind's picking up a little bit, storm clouds coming in as well. Yeah, wind's picking up a lot actually. So I guess that explains why the birds are so restless. They're getting ready for a storm coming in. Well, since Mama Bird is gone at the moment, I'll show you guys the sky a little bit. See if I can adjust that where it's not so blurry. Hold on, guys, sorry. There we go. Hard to see out here because it's so bright. Trying to adjust this so I can see properly. Really hard to see out here. There's the clouds up there in the sky. And man, I really can't focus on anything with this right now. I'm gonna go back to the birdhouse. Right there. Probably going to cut this short. The wind is causing some turbulence. Mama Bird, she's probably out doing some feeding at the moment. But I'll go over there and stand next to the birdhouse so you guys can see me. So let me go ahead and take this thing off real quick. There we go. This right here is the piece I was using to zoom in on the birdhouse right there behind me. I've been trying to get into photography again, but the issue is with all the new cell phones out and all the little camera phones, there really isn't a whole lot of wiggle room for photographers. But It shouldn't be an issue though, because there it is. If you can't beat the game, join them. I'm using my my actual cell phone to take these pictures. Yeah, I imagine the phone is probably wiggling again with all the wind picking up. But just like in my last video, I'm sorry I had to cancel it, but nobody wants to look at a whole bunch of like 22 minutes of shaky camera, because I have to find a better way to keep the camera still while I do my my urban exploring. So while I figure out a way to do that, I'm gonna do some other random videos here and there. At least try to do one video every few days. But love all you guys. I think I've got 16 subscribers. I'm okay with that. You know, that's great. That's better than what I had a couple weeks ago, which was like 3. Anyway, guys, I'll see you guys later.